everybody, Sissy Nicole here. Now, I have been asked on many occasions, how do I do a curtsy? Because next to former Prime Ministers, a lot of people actually aren't sure the best way to do it. So today, I have my dress, and it's going to be as simple as 1, 2, 3. So, we have our dress, we have some petticoats underneath it to give us a bit of fluff, and we always start with a nice good posture like all good girls do, nice straight legs together, and when we go down we have to keep this posture with a little tip. So almost like this, like that, and that works. So, for this one we grab the dress, we go like so. Now for this next part we have a bit of improvisation. Now I have a lovely guest here today who's going to learn how to do a curtsy. Would you please come here, Millie? Now you of course remember Millie, she's taller than me for a start. So it's always good for a bit of height. So you saw what I was doing, so let's get you nice front and centered. So grab your skirt, legs together, good posture. And then remember when you tip to do a little bow. So you grab your skirt and there you go. See? Isn't that easy? Now, we'll show it again for everybody at home, so just move it away. So again, as you just saw there, a great example of a lovely curtsy. So again, straight legs, nice posture, grab your skirt and remember to do a little tip when you go down, so like this. See? It'll take a lot of practice, but I'm sure, just like Millie here, you'll figure it out. Obviously, the straight dress, you can do variations, but of course, like I said, nice posture, tilt, and go down. And we'll do the bow every time. Nice little tilt and straight. Goodbye.
Prime Minister Liz Truss has curtsied for the first time by His Majesty the King.
Your Majesty.
Little bit.
You call that a curtsy? I'll show you a curtsy. It's really simple. You just do this.